Showing you my new GoPro. We're about to take the dune buggy out to the desert. I got the GoPro. Moment of truth. Hey guys, good morning. It's the first time that I'm making a video in English and I'm excited to see if you guys engage a little bit more with it. Anyways, it's 5:40 a.m. and I'm about to head to the gym, but not without first showing you my new GoPro. I'm super excited to be using it now. And for today's vlog, Christian and I got different very fun things that we got planned to do, like driving in the desert, going training, having a little picnic, going swimming, so we can try this GoPro. So stick with us and see how it goes. Okay guys, we're taking this big jetty cooler and we're gonna fill it up with lots of ice. I'm gonna put some snacks in it and we're gonna take it to the desert. Grab the ice from over there, Jayla.
This one?
Yep.
Need more ice.
Thank you, Jayla.
What? What?
Shelly.
Are you gonna put those like on a tray and put them in the oven?
Yeah. Thank you, baby.
Yes. Let's get a bunch of tacos.
Yum.
Let's get some type of chocolate and then sweet cream or cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
All right, chocolate, cheesecake, and then we'll get cookie dough
Brownies.
and brownie, and then cake batter.
Sure.
All right.
Ooh, yum.
Got some chairs, which you neglected to grab.
I didn't even think about chairs.
I got one chair for me.
Oh my gosh. We're about to take the dune buggy out to the desert. It's super hot outside here in Vegas today. It's like 110, but it's gonna be fun. Hopefully we find a little place with shade and stuff so we can enjoy our lunch. I look silly with these glasses, but hey, it's fine. I won't get any dirt in my eyes.
It's okay. Let's get that footage. Let's go. The only reason it fell was because it doesn't have the thing that protects it. Does it like go up here or something? What's this?
Ooh, I can see the strip. So we found a little spot to have our picnic. It's fun, it's sunny. Oh my gosh, my camera now has a little dent on it. Thank you, Christian.
You're welcome, babe.
Our snacks are here. We can see the strip all the way over there.
Oh, we should have parked over there. Look, there's shade.
Ah!
We got salmon, hummus.
Avocado salad.
That wasn't the bread cracking. That was my teeth.
You cut the bread in big slices. It's supposed to be really thin like this one.
Like that one?
At least it's yummy. And we're back. Let's go jump in the pool for a little bit. I don't like Okay guys, moment of truth. I bought this, which is the GoPro 8, the Platinum accessory kit, and the SD card for $450. And all I can say is that it's so worth it for everyone that's vlogging or that wants to record their activities outside. This GoPro is just amazing. It takes videos and pictures in 4K. Another thing that I personally love about this GoPro is its size. It's so small that it fits everywhere. I bring it with me every single day inside my purse or in my little fanny pack that I use for when I'm walking or maybe going on a hike or even traveling. Well, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it. I had so much fun recording. Go hit the like and subscribe button and go tell me in the comment section if you liked my first vlog in English. My next vlogs are gonna be about Cabo because I'm going back home for a little bit, so I'll be using my GoPro to record everything and it's gonna be really cool. So keep watching and take care. Mwah.